We at Man Mahilaka welcomes the journey of art of our creative marvelous Mahila Babita Hundal. She's a professional artist and has had several solo exhibitions. She has won various trophies and accolades for her international and national art group exhibitions in Mumbai, Indore, Goa, Vadodara.
A very warm welcome, Babita ma'am, to the Man Mahila Ka Manch. And
Thank you so much.
tell us more about your life journey, ma'am. You have achieved so much. You are very good artist. आपने बहुत सारे national, international exhibitions कर रखे हैं. So we would like to know your journey. Over to you, ma'am. Please start.
See, as art journey, like it always starts from childhood. Like we see children doing art from the beginning. You know, I never knew I'm going to become an artist.
Okay.
But as I was doing college, I used to do painting side by side, and I had my first exhibition in 1987 in Chandigarh.
Okay.
So I never thought that I'm going to have an exhibition. I just decided to. So I told my dad that I want to have an exhibition. So he thought I don't know कौन देखने आएगा. So he said, okay, fine, your experience, go ahead with it.
Okay.
So I came to Chandigarh and I had an exhibition which went so very well. There was an art gallery, Akar Art Gallery in Sector 17
Okay.
that time. And so it's a big write-up came out in the newspaper showing the right seed. My father, being a farmer, he just read the heading in the Tribune on the second page,
Okay.
showing the right seed. He thought maybe somebody is talking about some seed, some farming and all. He never, saw anything.
Okay.
Then somebody told him that it's your daughter's article, you must see. He read about me. He was quite surprised that my article has come in the newspaper. I have done something. I have achieved something. And that's the time he came from Firozpur, as I belong to Firozpur, it's a parental home there, to Chandigarh to see my work. That was a big, surprise, and I had a good feedback from everybody that time. Then my second exhibition was in 1992 in Delhi. That was again a solo exhibition which went so very well again. It was a good experience. I had an IFAC art gallery in New Delhi. Then in 1992, I got married, and that was a disaster for me. That's what exactly I say. That I always tell everybody, coin has two sides. So life also had two sides, good side, bad side. So it was a mixed experience for me. And I always been self-employed. And during my tenure of 17 years of marriage, I was running a boutique at home.
Okay.
As I'm a qualified textile designer and fashion designer, so I had a boutique, a full unit at home, which did very well. But due to some personal commitments, I had to close down slowly, which I did.
Okay.
Then I picked up a job in 2008 in a school, though I never had any teaching experience with me.
Okay.
And my family had given me, that family means my husband, he gave me just say 3 months of working. He said within 3 months, either you come back home or they'll say, oh, goodbye, you can't teach. But after the 1 year, when I got my confirmation letter and I showed everybody, and please, I was a confirmed teacher in the school.
Wow.
And that was a big achievement for me because I never taught in the school children. I taught my children, my own boys. I have got 2 sons. So that was my experience in teaching. I taught for 9 years. And 2017, I just resigned from my job.
Okay.
And from 2017 till now, till date, I've been having a group exhibition, national and international, which people have really liked my work. I've won a lot of medals, a lot of trophies, and I've been going places.
Your creative side has always been there. So
Yes,
we would like to know about your challenges.
see, I feel everybody is individual. Everybody faces a different phase of life, in a day-to-day basis. And I feel that life is not a stationary. Life carries on, life goes on. And challenges is being a single parent.
Mm.
That was the biggest challenge
Okay.
which I had faced,
Mm.
because before we get married, we are totally, protected by our parents,
Yes.
and there's a do's and don'ts that time also. But my father is being very broad-minded. We
Mm.
studied in good schools and colleges, and very good bringing we've had. So after I got married again. It was a lot of then do's, then it was more of don'ts.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a challenge for me after I left my home and I became an individual again. How to sort out life, how to carry on life, because I had two children with me that time. Now my elder son lives with me. My younger one gone back to his father with his choice. And my elder son is in the merchant navy, and that was the biggest challenge for me to get him online, to get him settled in life.
Yes.
Because for the parents, I feel that is the most important thing, to settle the children. And my son is settled, and like everybody is happy with that. So is he. So this is the biggest challenge I face, being alone, to stand alone, and to do things on my own.
That's really great.
Because we women, we always hear this: a woman can't do this, women can't do that, but women can do everything.
Thank you.
Because she is more stronger than, I feel that more stronger than man mentally. Maybe not physically, but mentally, yes. A woman is much, much more stronger.
Okay.
That's my point of view.
Any inspirational speaker you want to mention?
As I mentioned earlier,
Mm-hmm.
that I have faced a lot of obstacles in life.
Okay.
And so I do not accept any definition of life,
Mm.
because I like to define myself. That is I feel that unless you define yourself, you cannot be inspired in life.
Okay.
We must learn to like ourselves. We must learn to love ourselves. Otherwise, I do look up to Kiran Bedi. I think she's a strong woman. So I'm
Like,
little, my thinking always go a little different, Like I feel that when I go in the line, when I'm doing something,
mm-hmm.
I feel that yes, when I'm doing something, it should be me only. But yes, definitely I look up to Kiran Bedi. I think she's a very, very strong woman and strong-headed woman. So I'm, uh, otherwise I'm inspired by her. Otherwise, I think our parents,
Parents have a role.
my dad played a very strong role in my life. Total support from the parents, and when the parents are broad-minded, they have never put a restriction on us on to do something. I have my sister, I have my brother. I think these three have got the art on different lines. There's nobody artist in my family. I'm the only one. See, social change में ये चाहती हूँ कि that every girl should be educated. If not education, because education सब नहीं ले सकते हैं, तो at least कोई they must do some course, because financially stable सबको होना चाहिए. तो हम जैसे कहते हैं अपमान सहन ना करो, वो कैसे नहीं सहन करो? अगर आप स्टेबल होगे फाइनेंशियली, तभी आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो. तो मेरा ये यंग गर्ल्स को यही है कि भी एटलीस्ट इफ नॉट education to a full strength, at least they can do some course or something like this, जहाँ पे वो कमा सके, जहाँ पे वो कुछ कर अपने लिए कुछ कर सके, ताकि दूसरों पे निर्भर ना रहे.
Very correct.
ये मेरा मानना. दूसरा ये है कि like we say कि don't suffer in silence. You have a full right to live with dignity.
Exactly.
एक कभी चुप ना रहो. ऐसे हमारे में जैसे हमको सिखाया जाता है कि गर्ल्स शुड नॉट स्पीक, गर्ल्स शुड कीप क्वाइट, लिसन टू द मैन. नो, दैट शुड नॉट बी देयर. बहुत टाइम हैज चेंज, बहुत हो गया. टाइम हैज चेंज. वी नीड टू स्पीक, वी नीड टू स्टैंड फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु टेक एडवांटेज, लॉट ऑफ पीपल, ओनली पीपल से कि हम घर में रहते हैं. I give you my example. When I was 17 years of married life, I didn't know what was the outside world was actually. You know, if somebody tells me go and pay bills, something I used to hesitate. I said, no, I cannot, I can't stand in a line. But once I was out, that means I was on street. That means I became street smarter and I became very smart after that. And I think I was doing pretty well. You have a lot of confidence, you get a lot of courage once you stand on your 2 feet.
Very true, very true. And
Yeah.
totally endorse on this, because I know this is the practical social change we all should expect from the society.
और मेरा एक और मेरा है view which I want to share when I tell this to everybody, and I try to this to my own son also. I say, raise your son to be a gentleman. Teach your daughter to accept nothing less. That means the girl should not compromise less than worth. Men should respect the lady, a man should respect the woman, no matter what the age the girl or woman is. This is my request to people, that they must do this, and the girls never expect anything less.
We are heading to the last question. We would like to know what piece of advice or a message you want to give to the Mahilas who are associated with us and who will be watching your video. Any piece of advice coming from you?
Yes, my advice to the Mahilas is, learn to respect yourself first. Then to expect others should respect you. Unless you respect yourself, you cannot seek justice from others. Be yourself, respect yourself, and do something in life. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's honor for me to be here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Yes.
Hereby, Man Mahila Ka presents the serene and the colorful artwork by a marvelous Mahila, Babita Hundal.